it's a dream and you can't save me. They tell me that you love me, but you can't hate me. Regardless of the shit I've been through, this shit shaped me.
Something happened. It's just an accident? Oh, something happened. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I thought that's what you were talking about.
Yeah. All right, man, you'll go up there. We'll go run up there to, I just want to go in there and Wilmus. See what kind of cars you got.
I'll just follow you, man.
Okay, sounds good. I have to give a little gas. If I hit it, you won't actually die. So you got to be safe. They'd have all their used stuff over here, you know. They don't have hardly any used cars, you know.
Any, is that a Corvette over there?
Yeah, there's some used ones over there. I might check some of the trucks out a little bit. Oh, this is a lot of good.
You looking at to get something else?
Eventually I would like to, you know, maybe really been wanting a car, you know, but probably a truck, just for, you know, easier to haul stuff, you know. If I want to go up to my brother's house, I could strap this in the back of it.
So, yeah, get a ramp.
Yeah. And they like this kind of stuff, these boys. I need to make sure all the bolts are tight.
Is this where you got your SUV? Is this where you got your SUV that you have now?
No, I bought mine up in McAllister.
I was gonna say because you can trade it in.
Yeah, it's a Chevy. I could trade in, but I still owe 23.9 or something. You know, still owe a little bit on it.
Something like that would be cool.
Yeah, that's nice. I wish I never would have got rid of my 2006 GMC Vortec Max.
Oh.
Had a 6.0 liter engine. That thing was all ass, man. This one is very expensive. Oh yeah, this right here, 39.6. How much was the dang house we picked up? You know, let's see what this is.
What's yours, Kelly Blue Book, right now?
Huh?
What's yours for Kelly Blue Book right now?
Yeah. Yeah, checking on that. See what this is. Oh, these are 2024 Canyon.
I mean, what's the price you can trade yours in for right now?
Mine? I think mine is probably shit, man. I think 20, maybe 21, 22. Hopefully, you know. But it's in good shape. These are all new, 47,000. Which is
45, I think.
Oh yeah, 51,000.
50? Gee.
Must be a double four-wheel drive. But yeah, I guess so.
Something like that.
Huh?
A big ass van.
Oh yeah, I'd throw that right up in there. Huh? That's a damn going across the country thing.
You can fit that and mine up in there.
I know, right? Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, just you make some good money on YouTube, making traveling, you know, Grand Canyon, all kinds of stuff. But
You need like 1,000 subscribers for them to start paying you.
oh, do you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. How many do you have?
Got 304 right now.
Oh really? 3 or 4 of them?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's what I want, that Thunderbird.
Yeah.
We'll look to see what these are, man. Those are used right there.
What is it?
That's a Denali. That's going to be way too damn much. But I'll probably end up just getting a nice low mile 20 something, 2018. paper, as is.
They usually have really nice ones over there.
Oh,
Like
over here?
big trucks, like
The big ones, yeah. There's your money in there.
and the Jeeps and stuff.
Oh, yeah, Jeeps and stuff, yeah. We're going to look at those real quick. And I was surprised. I didn't see that many, like, Mustangs and stuff at the Ford place.
They're mostly over there at the other one, the one we
yeah.
passed.
Oh, it's the other one there? Yeah.
That's where I
Carmart.
thought. That's where I thought you were going.
Oh, Carmart? Yeah. That's probably our price range over there.
Yeah.
But,
All the cops are busy right now.
huh? Cops?
They're all busy right now with that accident down
Oh,
there.
yeah, I bet so. Yeah. But we can go down there and look. I guess at Carmart. But you want to go down to Ford?
Where's that?
It's down that corner down there. Ford, used to be Wilma's Ford, but it's Billingsley.
Oh, yeah.
It has a one in Lawton south.
Okay, I know what you mean. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's right by Stripes.
Yeah, across from Toyota. This thing gets dirtier than shit every day. You got to slop it off.
I know. I gotta clean. I clean this like every night.
Oh yeah, that's what I do. Just just like I keep that microfiber in there. Right, in there. We try to make this where it's kind of sprayed in there. Oh, what I do?
I don't think you strapped it right.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just came loose, I think. But I need to get one that I can some zip ties or something. Zip it on there right here. All right, I should do that. Yeah. Okay, let's go and see what we got.
It don't sense our weight. It doesn't sense us. Fuck you, nigga. Dude almost hit us. Dude almost hit us.
Oh yeah, daylight. Used to that have all those Mustangs and stuff over right in here. You don't see those anymore, huh? Yeah, this is what is that, a Ranger?
It's a nice Jeep.
Huh? A Jeep?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Hey,
If I was to get anything, it would be that.
yeah. Yeah, that thing's, what is that?
It's probably 60,000.
Them Raptor Jeep.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's probably 60K.
Oh, yeah. Easy.
If it's a Raptor.
Yeah, I've never seen a Raptor Jeep, man. What the hell's that?
Huh.
Well, they're gonna get, it's so high they don't want to give you a price.
You have to kind of see like an inquiry.
Yeah, I think it sets up there. Of course, it goes down.
That's probably around 60, 70.
Oh, yeah. I wouldn't doubt that. So this is a Maverick. That'd be about one. That'd fit up in there, wouldn't it?
Because I think those Ford Raptors are like 90,000.
That's what Mitch Worrell, my grandpa's stepbrother's son, they got all that acreage, about 30,000. That's what he's got a Raptor.
Crazy.
Yes, that's pretty small. Once you get up there, it's a little bigger than you think, you know. That's not much less. That's 34. I think all the used ones are back over here. Let me check them out over here. Ranger up there. Probably a little longer there, huh?
Yeah, something like that.
2021. So you gotta get online and see the price on it.
That must be for all of them then.
Uh,
That must be for all of them.
oh yeah, that's a 4x4 too, so. Yeah. Oh, I get some better, but you know anything else to do on this one too. But what was that one?
Oh.
Yeah. But anyway, they kind of got different. Any ranch you can be playing off platinum. Let's I'm gonna look down here real quick down here. Yeah, those 150s, man, these are all what's the FX4? Off-road. Yeah, I wouldn't need it. Probably wouldn't need an off-road. Let's see. The off-road's up there too, I think.
That one's nice.
Oh, yeah.
Wonder how much they want for that.
Oh, that one I think is. Yeah, let's see what we got.
These aren't used, right?
Yeah. Got 156 miles on this thing. What is that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they don't put the price on this. So,
Of course.
yeah. People really want too much money. But that's not a 4x4 though, is it?
Looks like it's F-150.
Yeah. Just the edge. Here's the price on that one. Yeah, those are new 48,000.
48?
Yeah. You plug shit in back here on the back in here. You know, I think you open that and you plug using it's like an outlet.
Oh.
Yeah, you plug shit in. Plug shit up or
I've seen people on YouTube that have these.
Huh?
I've seen people on YouTube that have these and they have campers, like literally on the back.
I'll do the real.
They go out and camp on them
Oh hell yeah.
because they have the outlets.
Some of those have a 240 on them. I don't know if that one does, but some of them. Well, hell. I don't know. Oh, that's the new. Those look like company cars. Yeah, they're. I ain't mentioned nothing else. Well, those are don't have a crew cab on them. Okay, we can go to like the car mart or something.
I'm into that. Man, I got 2 bars. That ain't good.
They don't have any pickups on them.
There ain't nothing here. Ain't nothing here.
I know, there ain't nothing.
Not even a truck.
No. I don't know if Johnny would have anything. He might have something. Johnny Roberts.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's where she got her car.
Huh?
That's where she got her car.
Oh, yeah.
Johnny Roberts.
Yeah. I could go over there and look, but I don't know what he has. He's the one that sold me that Laramie Longhorn I had in 2012.
Oh.
Yeah, that was nice, man. He had, I think when you got the screw that cuts the 4 cylinders, saves gas.
So
They had the best stereo system. They had a Bose stereo system.
So it's kind of like Eco mode? So it's kind of like Eco?
Yeah. And you put DVD in there and play a movie.
That's crazy.
The sound on that is better than a home system. Really, it sounds great.
Yeah, Bose is nice.
Yeah.
They make some good stuff.
Yeah. But, they had 100,000 miles on it, and I was and those back then, they had the ticking noise, those penny engines. Tick.
Oh, yeah.
And, but anyway, I don't know. Did you want to go over there? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. I might step over there real quick.
I'm really surprised that's not filled in. That bump back there.
Yeah, you think they'd fill that cement in there? New or used ones up here. That kind of looks like a used one. Really looks good. I have a sticker on it.
Check out this Ram. $63,000.
Well, that's 63 right there.
This one. Same.
There's something used back there though. Let me look back there. Customer trucks and stuff.
Yeah, because there's a cop car too. There's a police car.
Oh, yeah.
Or a police truck.
Yeah.
You want to buy that?
I know, right? Is that for sure? Let's go look at these Chargers over here.
It's pretty much what she has.
Huh?
It's pretty much what my sister has.
Oh, yeah.
She paid $28,000 for hers.
Who?
My sister.
Oh, really?
She paid $28,000 for hers.
Oh, did she?
For here.
Really?
It's used though.
Yeah. Man, this thing's upside down. You can't tell what to do. You don't line there when you cut. It's an iron. I don't see like an RT or anything, a badge on it. Probably just a 6-cylinder. But,
That's what hers is.
right?
That's what hers is.
Yeah.
It's a 6.
Yeah.
She got it here 3 years ago.
Oh, did she? Yeah. Well, did it have pretty low miles?
Hers?
Mm-hmm.
No. It's like 90 something thousand.
Yeah, you keep the oil change and stuff. Does that look like LEDs or is that's just regular bulbs?
I noticed when you hit the throttle, they get brighter.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
And then they get dim.
Yeah.
Wonder why that is.
I don't know. It's just, I'm not sure. I guess it's charging the battery and it's putting out more. Yeah. Some of those cars are pretty nice over there, but You know, I don't know. The biggest, closest thing I had to a sports car was that Nissan Maxima. That was about it.